this is Jenny Riggi, Head to Toe Spine and Sports Therapy. I'm one of the chiropractors here, and this is our second week of talking about hips and helping your hips to move better, to feel better. And why would you be concerned about your hips? Well, sometimes maybe you find they get a little bit sore, maybe you're doing your squats at the gym, you're not getting those deep squats you want, maybe you get pain here on the front of your hips. Maybe sometimes you get some achiness on the part of your thigh here or maybe down here. These stretches are definitely going to help you with your hip mobility. So the first one we're going to do, we're standing up and we're going to stretch the front of our thigh right here. And just balance yourself on something. And when you want to engage your core, meaning you want these muscles to be nice and tight, you don't want to lean forward, you don't want to roll down. You want to go ahead and just gently grab your foot and you want to bring it up to your butt, just like this. You're going to feel the stretch right along here. Okay? Get a nice good stretch there. Hold it 8 to 10 seconds. Then relax, let it down, repeat, and do the other side, just like this. Now another way you can do this is you can go ahead and lie on your side, and again to stretch this area. So I would lie down like this, okay? And I'm just bringing my leg up like this, and I'm pulling it just like this. Make sure your hip isn't moving forward. Make sure you're not pulling it up like this. Okay, it's just straight back, just like that. Now if you find you can't get your leg, maybe you can't quite reach it, you can grab a towel, you can grab something like this is a piece of a TheraBand. Just put it on your toe like this, so it gives you a little bit of a lever. All right, so you're lying like this, and then you can use this to help bring your leg up like this. Okay? All right, second one we're going to do is we're going to be stretching these muscles right back here. They're the muscles that move your hips out this way. So the first way we're going to do it is, and this is great too, because if you're sitting in an office, for whatever reason you're sitting down a lot, you can do this stretch. So here we go. We stretch, or we sit down, we cross one leg over, and we're going to hinge right here at the hips. So I'm not going to round my back like this. I'm going to keep my back nice and flat, and I'm going to move forward just like this. And you're going to feel this stretch right in the back here, right here. You hold it 8 to 10 seconds, relax, come on back up. And as always, what you do on the left, you always want to do on the right. And you might find that one side feels more tight than the other. The body loves symmetry, so really good to do these stretches and make the sides feel even. So here we are doing the other side. Hip hinge, don't round your back. Back stays nice and flat, core is engaged. Go ahead and bend forward. You'll feel it right back here. Now another way you can do this stretch is you can lie on the floor. All right, and you want to get into that same position just like this. Now one thing to keep in mind is you need to keep your butt here on the floor. And what you're going to do, you're going to bring your leg up like this. I'm going to take my hands, go through my legs, hold on to my kneecap, and I'm going to bring this back, and I'll feel the stretch right on the back here. What you don't want to do is roll up like this. You want to keep this down, and you're pulling down this way. Now if you have a knee issue and so you can't pull on your knee, you can always just grab your thigh like this and bring it down just like that. Okay, hold it a good 8 to 10 seconds, relax, let go, switch legs, and repeat. Just like that. Get a good stretch right in here. All right, so give those stretches a try, and that should help your hips move better. If you find that you're doing these stretches and maybe it's making you not feel so good, or it's making some areas a little more tight, come on in and see me here, and I'd be happy to help you. Thanks much.